on there. No pitch. I pitch there.
Right, enjoy your day today.
I enjoy my day to the fullest.
Rachel, enjoy your day today.
Yeah.
You wanna enjoy the day because food did there. That's why I'll come down. One God was them. 1, 2, 3.
Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am Sasha. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So by the title, today is my birthday. I don't know, I feel much happier than last year. Well, I was happy last year because I was around family. I'm still around family this year, thanks be to God. I have lived to see another birthday, which I am grateful for, to God Almighty. And yeah, today is going to be like a chill day, I guess. My dad is going to carry me out. We're going to get some food, of course, and just see what will happen as the day progresses. So this is my makeup look, nothing much. I just did my eyebrows and my eyes. As you guys know, I am not the best when it comes down to eyeshadows and so forth, and I don't like a lot of makeup. So this that I did is just right, you know. So I'm gonna put on the foundation and then get ready. So this is kind of like a birthday get ready with me video, and if I can like vlog certain parts when I'm out, then I'll try to do that. So yeah, I guess I'm feeling myself a bit too much. So yeah, continue watching. So guys, this is my outfit for today. Light gone, so I have to use the phone flashlight to get a good look of view, but you got to see it on me anyway. So I got this well, I wanted a dress, but I only could get this like top with this tall skirt, which really reminds me of a dress. So I thought that I'll put on the top but carry the skirt all the way so it meets like a dress. So I think that's a good idea. You guys already know that my fashion is something conservative, nothing extreme. You know, we gotta present ourselves as children of God. So yeah, our attire also, please don't mind the mess up there, okay? So yeah, and I have my little Jamaican necklace there of the island of Jamaica. And yeah, okay guys, I know this isn't the best angle, but my room is kind of messy since I'm trying to get ready and I don't have the ring light to turn on. I have the ring light, but as you know, like gone. So I've just bear with this dark room. This is how it looks when you record in the room when like gone. And sunlight no out. I don't know if rain gonna fall. Just hope it doesn't fall, because rain, not that I don't like rain, but not right now when I'm ready to go out for my birthday. So I'm gonna do now, just finish up my makeup just by putting on some foundation. Not going to go drastic. If you hear background noise, because like gone, you do on the internet, so few noise are going at the background from neighbors to my own relatives. So you can enjoy this food. So that's gonna put on the foundation. Oh my god, I never want to put on so much still now. But why? Kinda in a rush, kinda. Everybody's getting ready. My mom and my cousin is gonna come, and my dad. I know he normally let us do our thing while he's doing his thing, you know, but thought that counts. Brother, don't bother with it, you know. Guys, I look way different and I look on camera, which is a good difference, you know. The camera doesn't do me any justice. I didn't want so much foundation because if I'm supposed to sweat, well, this foundation really doesn't sweat, but I don't like getting sweaty and my foundation doesn't look dewy and it's just a mess. I don't look like this, okay, in real, like the camera, not the best lighting, to be honest. Like, if you guys could see, wait, let me see. No, me in a room. See, back come here. Come back, the light come back. Everybody have it nice. The people that have it nice see the light come on back. Boy, I get a little bit of drama and I'm a birthday. So I'm gonna use my usual what's it called? I'm kind of acing, so my mind is really not, you know. Highlighter. What's up with it? I use my contour brush to do that. You know, when you're on apes, it's like you can't find your words for certain things, you know. Guys, you know that I don't go all out with makeup unless it's special occasions, okay? I think that's it for my makeup. I don't think I'll leave out anything. I think that's everything. What, man? This thing will block me. Okay, now but I'm gonna put on my clothes now and yeah, gonna see my outfit. Okay guys, this is our outfit look.
She's burning, Mama Africa, I need this song. She's burning, Mama Africa, I love this song.
As you all know, I'm going for a conservative look. You guys know me already, I don't like anything too drastic. Because I wanted a dress, but I didn't see any that really suits me, which I'm interested in. So I saw it, my mom saw it, I saw it as well, but because it's a two-piece and your bed is supposed to show, I'm not into that. So I wasn't going to take it till we couldn't find nothing else, and this was the only option left since we already, you know. So let's see, now we just say, alright then, let me get the top. We can just carry up the skirt, don't dash. Yeah, still can work like this though. Although you see a little bit on my back, which not bad, right? No, you know. And here, so you know, say that could probably come down. So I'm in that. No, in that. Even though I have a flat stomach, you guys know, as a Christian, we gotta carry ourselves as Christ representers. So yeah, this is my look. And I also did my hair in one. It's been a long while since I would come on my channel with like a ketchup hairstyle. You understand? It's always twist. So today's the day for all of that. So yeah, this is my look. I hope you guys like it. Tell me what you think in the comment section. And my cousin's not here supervising. So guys, I forgot to wear my hoop earring. We're about to get ready right now. And yeah, I am ready to get this. It's a birthday shenanigan. Guys, it's gonna give me trouble. I know I'm not everywhere, but y'all know me. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. So yeah, so we can't put this up in some corner. If y'all know, you know. No.
She's burning. She's learning.
Guys, we can't. I try to find a good way to show you guys the dress on me. But this. Now I'm gonna just. Hey guys, so we're on our way. Well, my day?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, bless man.
Christmas. Weather nice.
Yeah.
Herman Van nice summer.
It's cool, but you're not bad nice summertime. July, August. I feel traffic.
When excitement, that's enough.
She's burning, Mama Africa, I love this song. She's burning, Mama Africa, I need this song. She's burning, Mama Africa, I love it.
Black and black?
Yes. Start already. Can't now, when them I go so. So everybody get quiet on the vlogging style. Guys, them to get quiet. Well,
alright.
Gotta be careful, whatever I say. Yes guys, so we're on our way.
Alright, they look neat, man, and they're bright too, you know. Look at you look little and bright. What's that?
Bright, man.
So them make them look small and see.
I want lady drive it too, you know?
Yeah.
Yes. First time I go back 4 more times. When I go, when me and you go one time. But you ever go over there by yourself? You ever go over there by yourself?
No.
You sure?
Sure.
Yeah, boy. So we're on, Daddy, which part we're there? Which part here so far?
Oh, we're on the roundabout highway. Touch on the highway. Past the roundabout.
Yeah.
So we just Salt Factory.
Salt Factory.
Yeah.
Salt Factory still have one?
Yeah, man. It's still up already, man.
Yeah. So we're not
They
trapping.
renew the building there because if the salt crack up the steel and they have to renew it.
Oh.
Yeah, and see them pieces of the same steel.
Yeah.
In action.
So yes guys, when we reach our destination then I'll keep vlogging. So for now, keep on watching. She don't know if I close out the vlog here so.
No.
She never had nothing to say guys, never. Guys, I can't believe it rain and fall. It's a blessing, yes. But I have no problem saying it's a blessing. No, I don't think this is the first time when rain fall on my day. I think over second, third birthday now since rain fall.
Yeah, the second time.
If you don't like,
Yeah, that was the second time.
Yeah, so still I tried the journey same way. Because she's still quiet over here, so she not gonna talk for now. She'll wait till she reach her destination before words come out her mouth. So yeah.
Yeah, whoa, Mama Africa, I love you so. Oh, she's burning, she's learning. Whoa, she's learning, she's burning. She's burning, Mama Africa, I love you so. She's burning, Mama Africa, I need you so. She's burning, Mama Africa.
Yeah, I will make a comment second time. No. Then the all white first time.
Wonder.
Oh. Alright, you get off the hook.
Burn the wicked and she burn out the liar. Good life she want and not that she require. She don't want go down low, she want go higher than higher. Things fast, she keep on blazing. No time to gain, she keep on working. She burning, she burning. Only on her respect and learning. Going to the top so she keep on soaring. Spreading out her wings cause she wanna be free. She burn stress, she burn poverty. She's burning, Mama Africa, I love you so. She's burning, Mama Africa, I need you so. She's burning, Mama Africa, I love you so. She's burning, Mama Africa, I need you so. Talk about principle, are you that? The duty of a
Everybody see a ladder. Yeah, we get that one. I thought over here, so daddy, but where entrance gate we go over there. We not down more little. I know Wendy's, you know, but the plaza itself, the Sovereign Plaza. Yeah.
Over there?
Yeah, over there. You can't turn in there, so. No go along now. Alright. Are you able to? In the plaza, in there, so. Yeah. Yeah. Nothing at the plaza itself, you know, I just go to what you have over here. forget place. So. Give you a partner, sir. So guys, we reach our destination.
I want to subway this.
Yeah, where's that? She see me her blog. Every time they see camera, then looking at, oh my gosh. Yeah. What to do? Go and parking space. And man, come out. If you come out and then see we can go in. So you're so did you sell there?
I want to find one with nobody now. This now, but I'm saying
you don't like too much up our front?
No, not that. I don't want to park too close to a man to go rush out in car.
Wait, sir. You can go under here?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Yeah, as long as you can park here so that you would hope so.
Yeah, man. They would have said no parking.
So yes guys, we reach our destination.
Yeah. So
they're going to see what they have and get probably something to
okay.
No. You go wait, right? Okay. You don't know mask?
No, I'm not trying to kerchief around.
That's your problem.
That's the problem.
Yeah, the cash make sure come out.
You can't come from the side there. That's all you want to come.
Guys, look at my mom. Beautiful mother and cousin.
Don't bother. I think you don't have funny stuff.
Oh, you want to check in our fish pot to see what them have first?
Yeah, check them now.
Checking at the fish pot. See that right in front of you, you know? Yeah, so guys, I got checking at the fish pot to see what them have and then head on. So guys, we don't know if we're not here, my good, but we are at Sovereign Village. We're trying to chill there with the family. We just get some food items like what is that? Oh, is that right?
It's not like the cameraman.
Why not with the lights though?
I told you to pick it up.
Eh?
Come.
Yeah, because the one year so did a train, the one top did a train. So that's here, I'm like. Guys, look at chili after the. I don't need it, could I do it?
Yeah, it's a green one. It's a big thing over here.
Alright, enjoy your day today.
I enjoy my day to the fullest.
Ashley, enjoy your day today.
Yeah.
You want to enjoy the day because food did it. That's why I told them. One guy was them. One guy go. Say to my birthday to go.
Where you be always say more food?
Because of food, you don't love. You don't love food.
Yeah, when it's going out, you like the going on. And not just the food.
Well, you like it now, like how this COVID thing, you know, you can't really slung now again.
Just to go out, get your things and just go back in.
Alright,
yeah,
here it guys.
Just work with it now.
Exactly.
Going on. Yeah, work with what's going on.
Yeah. So you're going to do next now?
That's 2:25. You're going there so too? Time ago.
What the heck?
Yeah,
you know we're gonna that long and that is the go thing there for you. You could have zoom in.
You're going there, sir? You're going there, sir? No. Me? Yeah, elevator, and I'm see people are going there. Yeah, like it, you know. You just take you up and carry up and make you.
You're not here, but we're not elevator before?
You're going there already. Can you see? Yeah. Well done there, no pitch, I pitch there.
What I should have, I can't find. It's not price? like them here. Them here cute. 2,000 odd. Funny. 2,070. Some of them can get. Yeah. What the heck? Ah, down here. Oh my. You know this. Black Forest. Talking guys. I'm in there. Can't find her. Martin, try to call her stuff and we can't find her. Oh, see her there. Yeah, look for you now. We were looking for you. What did you pick up? Probably up there, so. Oh, you look, you don't actually look at you can pastry flour.
Yeah, I look there. It's still outside.
You want it up here, so probably.
You want it, yeah, so.
For the day, we finished. We're out and finished. So you enjoy it, Tasha? I do a majority. But
enjoy, man. Enjoy it. Yes. Because I can't fit there.
It's alright. Come on, try with Tasha. Come on, try with Irby.
Okay, well, come on outside there.
So you go there and see me, you know, just in on a truck. Yeah, come on, try with Tasha. I don't know if I go before the cross.
Yeah, I thought this is here, man. I miss them at room.
Yes. I don't know what they must say. I most of the time, look, I miss one and laugh. Where can I laugh after? Like it true, I close up good.
No, man, I look them at the
You must see that?
This is them can't buy.
We just dislike some Jamaican habit, you know. Yeah, but them, let me feel now, yeah.
Hey, because look at the picture, one photo for this.
That's what I think you could have not said.
They're not that look. They're not look.
Bye bye, Sovereign. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, we go. Make a wish.
Birthday.
We don't really want to make a wish this year. We just want to tell everybody thanks that celebrating my birthday with me, like you, Tashel, that's behind the camera, Birdie, my dad, which left not too long ago, and thank you guys so much. Cause this birthday wouldn't be possible without you and the Almighty, of course. So just want to give that thanks and cut into my cake.
You can go ahead. You see that in there.
Ready? One.
And this cake for Sasha.
Oh, you want to pray?
And
pray by cake.
Close the eyes, please. Oh, Father God, on this birthday for Sasha, I pray that you bless this cake.
Yeah.
In Jesus' name I pray.
Thank you for the cake you're providing.
And thank you for the cake to provide for her on her birthday.
Amen. Amen. Ready? 1, 2, 3.